Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy tablets during Christmas sale, so they are asking me about the exact date of the sale. Each and every sale begins before the start of any festival, so you can expect that Flipkart Christmas sale will begin in the second week of December 2025. Maybe the sale will start on 14th of December or 15th of December 2025. If you are planning to buy any tablet from flipkart.com, in that case you must keep ready HDFC credit card or Axis Bank credit card or ICICI Bank credit card. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy from Amazon.in, in that case maybe SBI credit card will be eligible and you will get discounts on SBI credit card. But don't buy any tablet at the higher price point. You must know the exact or the best price of each and every tablet. I have made many videos in which I have told about the best price of each and every tablet. In this video, I will also cover some tablets and tell you about the best price. If you are planning to buy Moto Pad Neo 60, in that case the best price is maximum 13,000 rupees, and don't buy now because the price is very high right now. So wait for the Christmas sale to buy Moto Tab Neo 60 at 13,000 price point. Similarly, the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 is 33,000. The best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is 19,000 rupees, and you can get better discount on Amazon.in. If you want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price is 29,000 rupees maximum. You will get discounts on flipkart.com. If your budget is very low and you want to buy Oneplus Pad Lite, in that case the best price for this tablet is 11,000 rupees. During the launch it was priced at 13,000 rupees, and Big Billion Days sale the sellers sold it at a price point of 11,000 rupees. So wait for Christmas sale to get the best discount on this tablet. Similarly, the best price of Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant is 14,000 rupees, and the 5G variant can be bought at a price point of 17 to 18,000 rupees. So in the conclusion, don't buy any tablet right now. Wait for Christmas sale. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet. Mention the name of the tablet. I will tell you the best price. The only condition is that you have to like the video and hype the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.